Now let's explore Terraform, an open-source infrastructure as code tool. You saw in the last section how manually creating an environment in Google Cloud can be a labor-intensive task, and how using a template can make the process more efficient. Terraform is an open-source tool that lets you use templates to provision Google Cloud resources. To use Terraform, you create a template file by using HashiCorp Configuration Language, HCL, which describes what the components of the environment should look like. Terraform then uses that template to determine the actions needed to create the environment your template describes. If you need to change the environment, you can edit your template and then use Terraform to update the environment to match the change. A deployment can be repeated as many times as required with consistent results, and you can delete an entire deployment with one command or click. Terraform uses the underlying APIs of each Google Cloud service to deploy your resources. This enables you to deploy almost everything we've seen so far, from instances, instance templates, and groups to VPC networks, firewall rules, VPN tunnels, cloud routers, and load balancers. You can also store and version control your Terraform templates in cloud source repositories. In addition to Terraform, Google Cloud also provides support for other third-party open-source IAC tools.